Hello friends, happy Monday to you. I am headed out on a short trip this week. I'll tell you more about what the trip is and what I'm doing and stuff later this week, but right now I was packing up and I thought it was really funny how little I'm bringing on this trip. So I thought I would share with you the bare minimum of what I am willing to bring on a trip when I'm going somewhere. That's what a trip is, right? Anyway, so incidentally, I also shared a video today for members, Member Monday. I do it every week. Members, there is a link to that down in the description below. I talk about a new lens that I have here at headquarters, and also I update you on the trip to Yellowstone Snow Lodge. So if you're interested in finding out about that, follow the link below. If you don't know what being a member is, I have channel members. You might see a join button down below if you're on certain devices. If not, there's a link in the description below to find out more about that too. But anyway, to the matter at hand. The matter at hand is I'm going on this trip and I don't need to bring my full stable of gear because there's going to be gear for me there to use. So this is kind of like what do I want to bring just for fun? What do I want to bring as little ancillary items to make videos with, to just have a good time with? So this is what I came up with. I came up with bringing, I guess, 3 cameras. Let's count my phone as a camera because I will probably be using this. So my iPhone 10 camera. I'm bringing my Remoview K1. It's in its little bag. Hold on. Ooh, sorry, that was loud. I'm bringing my little electronic gimbal camera. I have a review of this. I'll put a link to this around somewhere too, because in the description, not just somewhere. And it's a little microphone for sound, and that's a little dead cat right here. So this I can use for any sort of video, and it'll be stabilized. So I'll be using this. I might also use this for some still photography, I don't know. But the last camera, so phone, gimbal camera, action camera. I'm bringing my SJ8 Pro action camera. Again, I do have a review of this. I'll put a link to this down in the description below too. But this is my favorite thing to use for time lapses, and I've been kind of getting into time lapses a little bit more. I haven't shown you all a whole lot of them yet. I'm still kind of getting the groove with that, but yeah, so I'm bringing this. So those are the 3 cameras I'm bringing. I'm not bringing a DSLR. I'm not bringing a full frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. I'm not even bringing what I actually considered bringing, which is, wait, sorry, wrong way, which is the Fuji X100F right behind me here. But yeah, I'm trying to pack light. So I'm just bringing these 3 little tiny cameras. I am bringing a couple of extra things, like in this bag I have a tripod and it's just a little mini tripod and a little ball head so I can aim whatever it is that I've got on here, namely the SJ cam. But I might also put the gimbal camera on here if I end up wanting to like film me talking to you all without having to hold it. And then there might be rain where I'm going. So I also brought the waterproof case for the SJ cam. This, I haven't put the touch screen on the back of this yet. I have that separate, so we'll see if I even end up using this. I may or may not. And then the only other thing I'm bringing is a couple of memory cards because, I don't know, just in case. I like to use my own memory cards. So that's it. Those are the only things I'm bringing on this trip. I usually bring a couple of camera bodies, several lenses, and this time I'm not, and it feels really weird. So I thought I would share that with you all. And then also I wanted to ask you what you do when you don't want to bring a whole bunch of stuff. I know I'm in a bit of a unique situation because there is going to be gear for me where I'm going. I am going to be using big cameras there, but big cameras, interchangeable lens cameras. But Yeah, so tell me in the description below if you have to bring bare bones, if you have to be like minimum space in a bag, what do you bring? And that's it, everybody. Members, make sure you watch Member Monday, and I will talk to you all soon.